Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we can show the processing of our LSA VGL 3B01. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require one part A, part D, and part E. Let's assemble. Part A. This is on the inside, the flat surface on the outside. For the next step, you require part B and part C. Let's assemble. Let's start with part B. For the next step, you require 6 part number O's, the screws. The item does come on a Phillips screwdriver. Let's assemble. You require 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the next step, require 4 part L's, 16 part O the screws. We'll be using electric screwdriver. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part H, 10 part O's the screw, and 4 part F the feet. Let's assemble. Let's start with the feet. For your next step would be installing part I. For the next step, you require 2 part J's, 8 part K's or standoff. Let's assemble. For each shelf, you'll need 4. These are adjustable wherever you want. For the next step, you require part F and part G, and you require 2 part M's, 2 part N's. Let's assemble. Part M and N. Thank you for watching the pro assembly of our LSA VGL 3B01. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.